here's definitely a really good track. It's just super grown in. So you're gonna see this video sometimes, all you guys from Guanajuato. You gotta send someone in here, 2 guys with a machete and a GPS. And they'll open it and it'll be real nice. Really, really cool trail going off the river. Whew, I'm gonna turn around now. I'm getting all scratched up from all these espinas. Marking my territory, guys. This is my trail. I was gonna turn around right now, but I just saw this trail going up here. It's not really a trail, it's probably a animal path. I'm gonna try it. It looks like something that could turn into a really hard silver gold section, so you guys have something extra if you feel up for it. My main job is obviously to find something that's doable for the majority, but now there's also something for those guys that really want to push. Hector, Juan, Luisel, Luisen, whatever, the 15-year-old kid. This is a proper gold section. Lots of danger, lots of technical aspects. This is the hardest thing I've done in a long time, and especially on this trip. So if I fall down here, you're gonna fall with me, but let's cross fingers that doesn't happen. All right, it's time to take a chance. Ah! Here we go. This is not bad. Gotta get over here and then boom, out. A little bit of landscaping. Muy fuerte. Ah, bueno, Martín. Pues me da gusto conocerte. Ajá. Estos, no sé, no es mía, me la prestó. Es uno de acá. Yo soy de ropa. No sé cuánto cuesta. Pero no mucho, es una barata. De hecho no es muy buena, pero es suficiente para lo que hago. Hay algunos motos que son rojos que son mejores. Se le llama beta. Ni sé cómo se llama esa. De China, creo. ¿Tú sabes andar en moto? Ah, ya. Es un poco diferente. Dale, Martín, ya me sigo mi camino y ahorita te veo aquí. Entonces paso por allá. I'm almost out, I think. This is a good place to go 2 people or 3 and help each other. A lot of consequence around here, but so far, awesome.